welcome to the Explorers. Today we're going to be opening the Owlcrate Jr. July box. Let's open it up. First is a little Owlcrate Zodiac Parade exclusive designed with love by Bonnie Lui. It's a mug. I can't wait to use it in the winter. Next is this little pocket mirror. I can't wait to use it. Next is this little Zodiac rooster figure. Next is this Owlcrate Jr. magazine. Let's open it up. Cindy Lin interview with the author. The story of the Chinese Zodiac. In the August theme, the theme of the Owlcrate Jr. The theme of the August Owlcrate Jr. is Thieves in the Night. Next is a origami of how to make tigers, zebras, giraffes, cows, and also, let's see here, dog, tiger, next is a little stickers from Zodiac. Cool. Next is a little 12 paper. There's also a card from the creator of the 12, which is pretty cool. Then there's a little magazine of the 12. Shows this inside it, and then the 12 book. And E6's breath was so shallow that she was dizzy. Precise with the power of a tiger had manifested right there here before her. It was impossible to deny the truth of what the three bandits know. Hairs had been seen all along. But the 12 had not completely been wiped out. A warrior still lived. Those with the Zodiac powers were not alone after all. This is a cool book. I can't wait to read it. Next is a little map of celestial planisphere. The theme of the August Owlcrate Jr. is Thieves in the Night. What dangers would you dare face to seek justice for your family? Our August book is a quick, fast-paced, heart-pounding heist adventure set in 1930s New York City, all about family love and fierce loyalty. This story is perfect for fans of Wonderstruck, Rooftoppers, and New York. That's it. Bye.